Day 3 of 3D printing something new every day for each letter of the alphabet. Today, I'm continuing the challenge with a cable roller. I found the model on Printables, thank you to Charles Rigaud. The design looks sleek and modern and effortlessly twists the cable inside. There are 3 options of size for different lengths of cable. It did use quite a lot of filament for what it is, but we will definitely be using this every day. Anyway, I'm going to give this print another 9 out of 10. Follow us to join the journey and see what we print next.